The lights go out at 2:17 a.m. No warning, no flicker, just darkness. That moment isn't about drama, it's a stress test. It asks one question. If modern systems stopped working for 3 days, would your household still function calmly or would it fall apart? Because when power goes, it's not just lights. Water pressure can fail, cell towers clog or die, card readers stop, stores can't restock. One system drops and the others follow. That's why the story starts in the middle of the night. At 2:17 a.m., your brain is foggy, your options are limited, and fear fills the gaps. Preparedness isn't about surviving heroically. It's about not having to make hard decisions while cold, tired, and scared. The transformer explosion matters for the same reason. It signals damage, not inconvenience. Damage means time, not 30 minutes, not a few hours, days. Now, look at the two houses on the same street. Same storm, same blackout. One scrambles, the other stays quiet. The difference wasn't money or luck, it was preparation done earlier, when nothing felt urgent. That's the core idea. An emergency kit buys time. Time to think clearly, time to avoid dangerous shortcuts, time to protect the people you love. Most people don't prepare because of 3 surface reasons. They think it won't happen to them, they feel overwhelmed by endless lists, or they don't know where to start. Underneath all of that is one deeper reason. Preparing means admitting vulnerability, that systems fail, that help might be slow, that discomfort is possible. So people postpone. But a kit isn't about the apocalypse, it's about control. And control comes from simplicity. Every effective emergency kit collapses into 6 categories, not dozens of items, just functions. First, water, about 1 gallon per person per day. Drinking matters, but so does washing hands and basic sanitation. Second, food, calories that don't need refrigeration or fancy cooking, enough for 3 days. Third, first aid and medications, pain relievers, antiseptic, prescriptions. Small problems grow fast when services are down. Fourth, light and power, flashlights, batteries, chargers. Darkness multiplies fear and injuries. Fifth, tools, a manual can opener, duct tape, a simple multi-tool. Ordinary problems don't stop during emergencies. Sixth, communication, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. When phones fail, information becomes survival. That's it. Categories, not chaos. Prepared people aren't braver, they're earlier, and their kits are boring. A labeled bin in a closet, organized, unremarkable, maybe built for around $150, slowly over time. The forgotten items are often the most painful to miss. Cash, because digital payments fail. A printed contact list, because no one memorizes numbers anymore. Sturdy gloves, because debris doesn't care about your hands. So ask the deeper question the story is really asking. Why resist preparing when you know it matters? Because discomfort now feels worse than imagined discomfort later. Preparedness flips that. It shrinks uncertainty. It turns "what do we do?" into "we've got this." Being ready doesn't mean perfection, it means stability. You can drink safely, eat, stay warm or cool without risky improvisation, treat minor injuries, get updates, avoid panic-driven decisions. The decision comes first, the gear comes second. You don't build a kit because disaster is guaranteed. You build it because peace of mind is priceless. 1 bin, 3 days of supplies, a simple plan written down. That's the difference between panic and power. So tonight, imagine the lights going out. If your chest tightens even a little, that's not a signal to panic, it's a signal to prepare.